Here we have the integral of 5x squared plus 4x plus 9 dividing by x plus 5 squared. And so let's simplify this fraction right here. X squared plus 5 is x squared plus 10x plus 25. And so this polynomial here in the numerator, the degree is 2. The polynomial in the numerator, in the denominator, is also 2. And therefore, we must use long division and divide first. So anytime the degree of the polynomial in the numerator is larger or equal to the degree of the polynomial in the denominator, then we have to divide first. And so using polynomial long division, divide 5x squared plus 4x plus 9 dividing by x squared plus 10x plus 25 is equal to 5 plus negative 46x minus 116 dividing by x squared plus 10x plus 25. And next, we need to decompose this quotient here into partial fractions. X squared plus 10x plus 25 is x plus 5 squared. This is called a repeating linear factor. X plus 5 is a linear factor. And since we have exponent of 2 here, this is called a repeating linear factor. And so to decompose this quotient here, we have to rewrite it as a constant dividing by x plus 5 plus a constant dividing by x plus 5 squared. Here the common denominator is x plus 5 squared. So we need to multiply this quotient by x plus 5 over x plus 5. And now the common denominator is x plus 5 squared. And here we get a times x plus 5 and then plus b. And so now we have negative 46x minus 116 is equal to a times x plus 5 plus b. And this equation right here is to be true for all x. And so we'll let x be any real number. And so we choose to let x be negative 5 because negative 5 plus 5 is 0. And so let x be negative 5, then we have negative 46 times negative 5 minus 116. All of this is simplified to 114. So, and then this is 0, so we get b is 114. And now let x be 0, let b be 0, let x be 0. Then we get negative 46 times 0 minus 116. And then x is 0. The left side will be a negative 116. B is 114. This is 5a. And so we get a is negative 46. And so negative 46x minus 116 over x squared plus 10x plus 25 would be negative 46 over x plus 5. And b is 114, so it would be 114 over x plus 5 squared. Now let's find this integral. The integral of negative 46 over x plus 5 will be negative 46 times the integral of 1 over x plus 5. And recall that if we have the integral of 1 over x plus a, then this would be the natural log of x plus a. So here we have 1 over x plus 5, so we get natural log of x plus 5. And then we need 114, integral of 114 divided by x plus 5 squared. Let u be x plus 5. du dx is 1, so du is equal to dx. And so the integral of 114 over x plus 5 squared is 114 times the integral of 1 over x plus 5, which is u squared. 1 over u squared is u to the negative 2. Antiderivative is u to the negative 1 divided by negative 1. And so we get 114 times negative 1 is negative 114. This is u to the negative 1. If we move it to the denominator, then it becomes u to the first. But u is x plus 5. So the answer is negative 114 over x plus 5. And so in summary, we have, this is the original integral, and what we did first was polynomial long division, and this is what we end up with. And then next, we decompose this quotient right here, and that comes out to be negative 46 over x plus 5 and negative 114 over x plus 5 squared. Integral of 5 is just 5x, and the integral here is negative of this integral is negative 46 times the natural log of x plus 5, and then this last integral, which is this one, is negative 114 over x plus 5. And this is the answer.